Hey there, coders! Welcome to my first ever episode on Coding in C with Kyla. In this episode, I will dive into how to set up your environment to get started compiling your own programs. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. So, what you're going to be installing is Visual Studio Code. And what I like to use as my compiler is the GCC compiler. Keep in mind that it's a Unix-based compiler, so if you are on Windows, there is an extra step to install it. And everything will be in the description, so you can install it directly on your machine. First, we will install Visual Studio Code. Head over to the Microsoft website and download it. The link is in the description below. Now that it is downloaded, open the installer and follow the setup whiz. Once that's done, uncheck Launch Visual Studio Code, close the setup wizard, and reboot your machine. Once your machine has been rebooted, the next step is to install the GCC compiler. If you're on a Mac, I believe it should already be installed. To double check, open Terminal and type in this command to see on screen. Now it's for Windows users. Mac users, you can skip this part. I will leave a timestamp where you can skip this part. So, open the Start menu, type Windows Features, and open it. Scroll down and make sure Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux are checked. And then click OK. Make sure to restart your machine after enabling these features so Windows can install them. Once your machine is restarted, go to the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and open it. We need to install Ubuntu to have a Linux-based operating system. Paste this command on screen, and Ubuntu will start installing. Once installation finishes, it will prompt you to enter a new username and password. Once you have that in, we will apply some updates before installing the GCC compiler. Copy this command right here, and it will ask you for your password. Once that's typed in, wait until it finishes installing. Once that's done, we will install the GCC compiler. Paste in the command, and it will start installing. Once you have that installed, you have now completed the hardest part of setting up your environment. Now open Visual Studio Code. Then hover over Terminal at the top and click New Terminal. Over here, next to the plus button, click the arrow. The drop-down box will appear, and click Ubuntu WSL. And there you have it! You have completely set up your environment, and now you are ready to start coding! In the next episode, I will go over Unix commands so you can learn how to navigate and compile your very first C program. That is all for now! If you find this tutorial very helpful, please hit that subscribe button if you are new, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another episode. I'm Kyla, your internet coder.